The most important rule that has governed science since the time of Darwin is called methodological naturalism. The central idea of that scientific methodology is that science must refer only to natural physical causes for any effects we observe. In other words, everything that exists or happens in our universe must be explained in terms of chemical and physical processes. Therefore, any supernatural cause must be discarded a priori. That is, any intervention of God in nature, any idea of creation, plan, or purpose, is summarily rejected by alleging that all phenomena can be explained by indirect causes that operate by mere chance. What do you think? I am Eddie Dutra. Welcome to Crucial Point. The National Academy of Sciences holds that the statements of science must invoke only natural things and processes. That sounds reasonable initially. After all, we don't want science to chase after wide mystical ideas. And restricting science to natural things and processes will assure testability and objectivity. Moreover, methodological naturalism even sounds religiously neutral, only superficially, because it has one serious problem. Methodological naturalism is the default philosophical position of the atheist or the deist, who believes either that God doesn't exist or that he does not interfere with our universe. Another big issue with methodological naturalism is that it opposes the very essence of science, the freedom of investigation, the pursuit of truth going wherever the evidence leads. In practice, methodological naturalism dictates the shape of reality before reality has a chance to speak for itself. If the evidence demonstrates signs of an intelligent design in nature, for example, the evidence should be discarded due to a previous commitment to a materialistic worldview. We could list many other problems with methodological naturalism, but here's the crucial point. Methodological naturalism is a self-defeating concept. That is, when the very words of a statement demonstrate its falsehood. Methodological naturalism is a self-defeating concept because it claims that in search for truth, only natural things and process should be used in order to be considered in scientific research. However, the claim itself, it is not scientific by its own standards because the concept itself has no naturalistic origin. And it's a principle that is not logically derived from science. It is not originated from an empirical finds. Instead, it's a philosophical, a metaphysical presupposition. The biggest problem with naturalism is that it is a radical claim about the nature of reality. Naturalism acknowledges only physical reality. Nature is all that exists, or at least the only reality to be considered. But that presupposition goes beyond the realm of science. Science could never prove or disprove God's existence or a spiritual reality, since science is limited to studying the physical world. Science has no means to research such a reality, let alone conclude that, yep, it's settled, he doesn't exist. In summary, methodological naturalism is not a concept found and restricted to natural processes. It is born from a philosophical and theological view.